Hi, I'm April Golightly, and I absolutely love Halloween and getting dressed up with my family for Halloween. It's super fun. Today, I'm so excited to share with you amazing family costumes that you can wear for Halloween or whenever. Let's get started. First costume set that I put together is Alice in Wonderland. My daughter's wearing an Alice costume, and I'm the Mad Hatter. The Alice costume is available in girls, women, and plus sizes, as is the Mad Hatter. Also, if you have a larger family, you can incorporate the Cheshire Cat, the White Rabbit, the King of Hearts, the Queen of Hearts, Tweedledee and Tweedledum, and even the Caterpillar, for a total of 8 costumes. You could even include some pet costumes in this too. I'm super excited to introduce you to Someday I'll Learn with my friend Chelsea and her family. She does an amazing job homeschooling and running an awesome creative blog. This is a DIY Beauty and the Beast costume from Someday I'll Learn. It's super cute. We've got Belle and the Beast and Chip and Lumiere. The next costume that I put together with my daughter is Cinderella and her fairy godmother. I just thought it was super cute, and I actually kind of made it like a bibbidi-bobbidi boutique situation, and I did her hair the way they do it at Disney World. Super fun, and this dress actually is from the Bibbidi Bobbidi Boutique. I absolutely love it, and we had a great time putting it together. I really love this costume for the fairy godmother. It's super cute and super fun to wear. If you want to add some more family members to this costume grouping, you could do the mice for the other kids in the family or for other pets in the family, or the dad as Prince Charming, or one of your sons as Prince Charming too. If you want to go crazy, maybe you can find the evil stepmother and the stepsisters on Etsy or something. It's really cool. The next costume grouping that we did together was Peep and Her Sheep. Super fun, and this one you can really go crazy with all the Toy Story costumes. It's super fun, and you could be Woody, Jessie, Buzz Lightyear, Mr. Potato Head, Forky, and the aliens are super cute too. The Incredibles costume is a great choice for the whole family because everybody can be an Incredible because it's a family of superheroes, including our puppy. Someday I'll Learn has a really fun take on these Incredibles roles. We have here Edna Mode, Frozone, and Screenslaver. Then back at home, we have Mr. Incredible, Jack, and the uncooperative Dash. I made this awesome costume for my daughter to go to Disney World a couple years ago. Super cute, and it's basically we're both Dalmatians. It's very warm in Florida, so I definitely didn't want to wear the Cruella DeVille outfit, but if it was cold, I would definitely wear it. So it would be cute if your kids were Dalmatians and you're Cruella. Check out the link in the description because I have a little Cricut project file that you can use to make this awesome costume. Also, basically what I'm wearing is a Dalmatian print outfit, and then we got little matching belt bags to rock at Disney World. My friend Ramona also does an amazing job with her family costumes. She has 2 boys, and they're just super cute. And I'm super excited to share these amazing family costumes with you. Her blog is Fab Every Day, and you definitely should check it out. I'm going to link the direct links to each one of these costumes in the description below. She incorporates purchased costumes and also some DIYs to get an awesome family group costume together. Ramona and her family are super fans like we are for The Mandalorian and Star Wars and Marvel, which is awesome. Here she did such a great job with this family setup of The Mandalorian. She has Mando, the Mandalorian, as her husband. She's Cara Dune, and then her kids are Queel with her sitting on the blurg, and then also the IG-11, the hunter droid from the first season of The Mandalorian. So good. I'm super impressed by this. They included the child as a little plushie toy to carry around with them, which is perfect. You could also include your dog in the family costume, wearing the child costume, another child of yours. There's also a pair of sunglasses and even a backpack that's really cute. Since, it's like the child is small enough to be carried around, I think it totally makes sense for it to be a pet or a backpack or a plushie. The next family costumes from Fab Every Day is from the new show Loki on Disney Plus. It's super fun, and basically there's tons of Lokis in it. So these are all Lokis. First we have Ramona as Sylvie Loki. I love this costume. It's such a fun idea. The dad is classic Loki. Then we have the variant TVA Loki. Super cool. I love it. Then we have President Loki and even Alligator Loki. It's super cute. You could dress up your pets as alligators. This one is pretty much endless because there were so many Lokis in the show, like Loki variants. It's super fun, and definitely check out this post, how she does this. It's really cool. Everyone went crazy for Hamilton when it was on Broadway, and then when it was on Disney Plus during the pandemic, everyone loved it, and all the kids loved it too. So I love this costume as a family. So everybody's Alexander Hamilton from the Broadway show / production of it on Disney Plus. Super good, and I'm obsessed. Definitely check out her link in my description to check out how she made these costumes. Next up is Stranger Things family costume from Fab Every Day. So the mom is 11, the dad is Chief Hopper, and the kids are Dustin and the Demogorgon. Super cute. This super fun family costume for Harry Potter is so awesome. So basically it's Ron Weasley as the dad, Harry Potter as one of the children, then Lord Voldemort as one of the kids, and then the mom is Hermione Granger. Super cute and adorable. The next family costume, is from Someday I'll Learn, and it's the Minions and Gru. It's super cute. The dad is Gru, and the kids and the mom are Minions. Fab Every Day also did a Minions costume with Gru and Lady Wild. It's super cute, and definitely check out both of their posts on how to make Minion costumes at home. Next up, we have Star Wars costumes with Rey, C-3PO, and Poe Dameron, and Kylo Ren. Super cute, and I love this family costume. Definitely a huge fan of Star Wars, and it's cool to see the old and the new come together with C-3PO in there. With so many Avengers and Marvel comic movies out there, there are so many options to go for with these costumes. I definitely recommend this as a family group costume. Everyone loves Legos, and it's super fun with the Lego movie. I love all these costumes together, super cute. Definitely a big fan. I have a ton more ideas for family costumes. Check out my blog post in the description to see all the costumes that I've come up with for family dress up every day.